weather has been so nice lately, so today I decided to sit down and start planning my seed starting. I store all my seeds in trays and everything I need to start seeds indoors in our dining room. I decided to start with my Advent calendar seeds. I needed to get them out of the bags and see what all I had. Then I decided to sort through the seeds that I have stored from previous years. I really like these containers that I found at Michael's. They're perfect for storing your seeds. Next, I take the seed packets that I know I want to start indoors, and I look at the back of the packet and make a list of the seeds and how many weeks before the last frost that they recommend you start them indoors. Then I take that list in a calendar, and here where I live, they're predicting that our last frost will be April 21st, and so I write the date of when I want to start the seeds based off of that. Then I take Next, I know I needed to start my peppers probably a week ago, so I'm glad I'm getting around to it today. But I love using these Jiffy seed starter pods. They're great. I use warm water, that's what I'm pouring on over these, and it's just really fun to watch it soak up into the pods. Then I like to place the seed on top of the soil, and I don't push it in right away because then I forget which pods I have a seed in. So I place them all on the top, and then once all the pods have a seed, then I go ahead and push them down into the soil. Then I want to make sure I have my seed pods in a really warm place, so I place them over our vent, and they have this nice cover to give it a nice greenhouse effect. Here is a brief look at my garden. As you can see, it's got a lot of work that needs to be done, some cleaning up and some fixing. So if you are interested in seeing more videos and seed starting and just the garden in general, please like and subscribe. And I look forward to sharing more about my garden with you throughout this year.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.